thanks for coming back. I have August's Glow Addict Beauty Box. That's what I thought. I said, girl, you're early. So for those of you that don't know, the Glow Addict Beauty Box runs $18.99. It is plus shipping. I know, so I ended up paying $21.99, and usually includes roughly between 5 to 7 mix of full and sample size beauty products. So let's open it up and see what I got this month. As per usual, they did not include a card. I don't know what's up with that, Glow Addict. There is no card, but I did look it up online, so everything I mention, I shall put a little pop-up somewhere on the screen. So first thing I have is a set of tweezers from Lashybox. You are correct. I did get this last month. The exact same thing. I don't know why. 2 months in a row. You guys should keep track of what you send to people. Thank you. This runs $4.99. I don't know what to do. This is not off to a good start, I could tell you that. Iconic Beauty. And it's a micro brow tattoo pen. And I am super excited to see this. Never actually used a tattoo pen before. And it's in the color medium brown. So that is the pen. Can you see it? It's like super light. Why would you do that? Just the tip. That looks so freaking cool. All right. Medium brown, eh? Yeah, I thought it would give you like individual lines, but it just looks like a smudge. Full size of this runs $12. So I have my eyebrows done. How I feel about the tattoo pen, it's okay. I thought when you see it on Instagram where it has like all the little lines and it's looking like, you know, precise, kind of doesn't do that. I mean, I went a little bit darker than I usually do, but my brows look the same. It felt the same. Instead of having to use the spoolie and the pencil, this kind of took care of everything because it was brushing it, or combing it, I might say, as it was also coloring it in. So it's just one step as opposed to two. But other than that, sorry. Naked Cosmetics. I just got something similar from Ipsy Glam Plus last month. I didn't actually post it because I was being lazy. Yep, it's the exact same thing. It's a 4 pigment set. A 4 pigment set. And I'll figure it out later. And I just went by the pricing on Ipsy. This runs $40. Naturally Nude. And it's NN01. Just love the glow on that. Sierra Nevada SN02. So that's that color. And then this is another Sierra Nevada SN04. The shimmers on this are just phenomenal. This is another Sierra Nevada SN05. It's a nice, lovely, shimmery brown. A Sierra Nevada SN05. It's just a really nice shimmer. You can see there's a lot of fallout on this because it's pigment. Didn't tap off my brush enough. The NN01, the Naturally Nude, right there. That's what it looks like. Oh boy, I'm scared. I'm scared for how this is gonna turn out. Sierra Nevada SN02. Boy, oh my word. Well, this is interesting. I mixed the SN04 with some water and used it to line my eye. Not bad if I say so myself. I am sufficiently covered in glitter. Another product from Iconic Beauty, and this is a glow stick. I really wanted one, but I don't really know how to use it. Apparently it's just for hydration. Filled with jojoba oil. Use a glow stick on your face or body to restore your natural hydrated glow. I like that it is a twisty. I thought it would make my face shiny. It does not, so that's good. I thought it didn't have a scent to it, but it kind of does. It's just really mild. I don't know. My face feels hydrated. It didn't feel dehydrated before either, so I thought this was a highlighter. It feels smoother, like it definitely feels like there's something on it and my hand's like gliding over. Does this feel softer? A little bit. It does feel a little softer. It's great to put under your foundation or refreshing during the day. Plump and hydrated. I mean, it definitely does feel softer. I thought it would be awful considering that I have oily skin and it would be like shiny and make me look like wet. But no, this is pretty good. I'm okay with the glow stick. Yes. Thank you, Glow Addict. Glow Addict Glow Stick. I see what you were doing right there. I see it. I see it. And this runs $15. Another product from Naked Cosmetics. Vanilla Cream Lip Scrub. I do have a lip scrub that I use. Just one. I bought it. I don't know why I keep buying makeup. On top of the fact I get so many subscription boxes. And I'm okay with the one I use. It's not anything great. It was like a cheapie I found on the internet. I'm curious to see how this compares. This runs $6.99. Oh wow, you can smell the vanilla. It's vanilla cream. It smells almost like cake. Ooh. Wow. Where's the scrubby bit? So the one I have feels like a sugar scrub. I think it is a sugar scrub. This does not. It is a little bit smoother. You can still feel the granules in there, but not as intense. Oh, wow. I don't know how I'm going to deal with this smell. It really does smell like cake. Yellow cake with the icing, buttercream icing. Oh, it's like a great smell, but after a bit you're like nauseated by it. Is it just me? But it feels like a mix between a really thick lip balm and like a touch of the sugar scrub. Oh, there's beeswax in it. That's why it feels like this. Okay. It's like a coating over my lips. I wouldn't classify this as a lip scrub though. Every scrub I've had actually, like, you know, scrubs. Getting better. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Premium Silk Lashes from Cas Cosmetics. You know, there's gonna be a problem if this isn't sticking. We're gonna have a problem, sir. But that's okay. I'm a trooper and I'm gonna keep trying. They're in the style Venus. And these are $9.99. There's the band. They look like really nice lashes. I like them. I think they're really cool. Full fan. The band is thick enough. They're not that soft. They feel very stiff. Stiff that it's gonna stay in place. That it's not gonna be like blowing away in the wind. But I am loving how this looks. Ruby May is Glossy AF and it's in the color Oakland. Such a nice color. Kind of like the smell too. Alright, let's see. It's really thick. I like it. It's like a muted, shiny red. Looks good. Ooh, I'm gonna put some pigment on it and see how we can brighten this up a little bit. See if I can get away with a light dusting of it. I don't want to poison myself. Oh wow. Yes. Now I just need to remember not to lick my lips. That's it. That was everything in my Glow Addict Beauty Box. I got a total amount of $103.21. And I gotta say, I like it. I don't know about the repeats, but you know, other than that, I think I look pretty stellar. Bye.